Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on CRM solutions with HubSpot easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the HubSpot website. Create a free account to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the CRM section. Explore the options available within the CRM tools. Take advantage of the free CRM features, which are ideal for small businesses. Familiarize yourself with contact management by adding your contacts manually or importing them from a file. Use the import feature to save time when adding multiple contacts at once. Set up custom properties to tailor the CRM to your specific business needs. Utilize the deals pipeline to manage and track your sales process efficiently. Take advantage of the marketing tools included in the free version. Use the email tracking feature to monitor interactions with your contacts. Consider integrating your existing tools with HubSpot for a seamless experience. If your business grows, explore affordable upgrades to HubSpot's paid plans. Join the HubSpot Academy for free courses on how to maximize your CRM usage. Make use of templates for emails, documents, and reports to save time. Regularly check your analytics to understand your team's performance. Customize your dashboard for easier access to the most important metrics. Keep your CRM organized by regularly updating your contacts and deals. Remember to take advantage of HubSpot's community forums for additional support. Track your interactions and follow up with leads consistently for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.